Alright, what up YouTube? Quasi here. About to go to Coffee and Cars for the first time in 2 months, I think. This is the June Coffee and Cars. And the last two, I think I completely forgot where I was doing something else. So I'm going to meet up with the squad. I actually haven't met up with the squad in a while, so it should be fun. See how it goes. Clouds look kind of cool though. You can see them moving. I don't know if you could tell on the camera. It looks nice. Like the highlights of the sun over there. All the streams of light. Beautiful. Ooh, damn, look at that car. Cayman. That shit looks dope. I have no idea what car it is. Looks fast as hell though, and fun to drive. Ooh, hit a dip right there. And hit like something that I slid there. Scared the shit out of me. I hate that feeling. Oh my god, that's one of the worst feelings on a motorcycle. When you hit something and your tires like wobble, whatever. They give way. Shit is not fun. Let's get on the highway now. We'll let him go. I'm not in a rush. Y'all don't even know how bad I've been wanting a ZX6R. Like, it's insane. I would buy one right now if I wasn't saving for a house, but I gotta get that house down. My lease ends in June of next year, so I gotta make sure I'm prepped and ready to go for that. Gotta save up all the money. Gotta do the inspections and all that shit. I've never bought a house before, so I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of work involved. I don't actually need gas, so I'll just sit and wait, as usual.
Where's everyone? There's Michael, there's
Hey, isn't that David?
Miguel?
Or no, David on the Ducati. He rode with us like once.
Yeah, we had a monster. Woo! Way to go, LT!
Travis is getting gas. Ready, set, go. We gonna fucking say yeah. I like that song. Alright, we're finally moving. Watch that gravel. Okay, we still got all the parking in the back. That's good. I thought we were gonna run out. But we Gucci. Chris! Damn, it's getting hot. Humid.
Sure.
Who else is coming?
CM Build. Derek's meeting us at, well, they're meeting us at food probably, both of them. Derek and CM.
Y'all waiting or y'all gonna walk?
No, this is it. Let's go.
How long does it take you to swap your fairings to your race fairings? Hours?
2 hours.
Oh, 2 hours.
To swap your panties.
Yes, exactly what I said.
What's wrong with these? 2 hours.
2 hours to swap your panties.
They're all worn down. Dude, this ain't shit. That's your wear bar right there. The red? Oh. So you got wear bars. Wore them down here on this side. Dude, look at those wear bars. Yeah.
Ooh.
I don't have that Mustang.
Damn. That sounds so nice. Got the carbon. Dude, even has a carbon triple tree.
That guy just rolled out. Look at these two cars. Where are you gonna upgrade, man?
After I get a house.
You get a house?
Yeah, next year. That's convenient. The fat rear. Scorpion helmet. Got the little model down here. That's awesome. I like the yellow rim tape here. Goes good. Got the nice highlight theme going on. Viper Squad.
Patrick, imagine rolling up on the Z125 and just doing a burnout.
That would be awesome. Get the colored tires too.
Yeah. And just leaving real quick. I mean, like, you know, moderately paced. That guy's talking shit about your back.
I don't care.
I tried to defend you, but he won.
Sounds good to me.
You had that old man strength.
Red forward.
You know?
Dude, I'm secure in my masculinity and my femininity.
You know what old man strength is, though, right?
Dick powers. I want to see a souped up Prius.
I saw one with the suspension work.
For real?
Yeah.
Why? Where do you need that?
Make it faster, so he made it more agile. He just get laughs.
Dude, it helps when I'm splitting.
It's hit on too.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, by dudes. It's awesome.
You should totally.
You got a very cute bunny back here.
You should totally like.
Yeah, new me into bike bunny.
You out though. You need to like continue the like you're a girl.
Yeah, I do.
Get, like,
I need a flower helmet and like a wig.
Get him a wig.
Yeah, exactly.
No, just get him a wig, and so he puts a wig on the helmet. And has
No, and I also need one of those like flower helmets, like the flower floral design.
No, you just
put a
get
bow
fake,
on it.
Yeah.
Oh, bow.
Fake hair that hangs out the back.
Yeah, exactly.
Just get those eyelashes for like the
Oh, the headlights.
headlight eyelashes.
I'll be the token girl in our group.
Yeah, one guy actually thought you were a girl. Like,
Yeah, I know. Gotta love the booty.
Kia minivan. Oh, you just missed. You just missed shit on.
narrowly missed you, Travis.
You went like right here. What?
I don't know where it came from.
Holy cow!
I have no idea why I decided to zoom in on bird shit. Are those Sedici boots?
Hell no, they're A-star.
Oh, A-star.
Shit, gosh.
You're missing getting paid.
It looks like exactly the same except the styling.
It's a lot better.
Except when you crush, you won't lose your leg.
Except when I crash, I did crash.
You won't lose your leg.
Yeah, where's your leg, dude? I don't see it.
They're waving at it and the camera's facing the other way. Yeah, I know, right?
Man, I can't even see.
Hey, you should get one of those and put your GoPro on it.
So we're gonna check that.
There is a GoPro on it, or camera on it.
What's that place called? It's that like German pancake place.
Magnolia?
Magnolia, yeah.
You got like a super long wait time.
So we know where we're going?
Nope.
Why'd you get us a table? I was just sitting here doing laps. I didn't remember which one it was, so I'd rather take the earlier than later. Oh.
We'll fix your bike, you bankroll everything else.
Okay.
Eric almost bought a house on Lake Medina. Who? Eric?
Hey, yo, what's with your fork? Or is that fairing only?
What?
Does crack?
Yeah, apparently the guy before had like a brake lock on it.
Oh shit, it's 1,000. I thought it was a 600.
2000.
What year?
2008.
8?
Are you gonna leave that fairy now?
It might even be bigger. That's
What is your rear tire size?
like, I don't remember, 140?
No, yours is bigger. The front is a 120 on all of our bikes.
Oh, okay. Ducati though. That Ducati though. I don't know what we're doing. Just having fun. I'm gonna bail on him here. Alright guys, that's all I got. So as always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Peace.